playing the Clash of Clans. No, don't use that generator. Don't. Привет and hello everyone. Today we are talking about the gem hacks in the video games. And of course, as always, dear benevolent overlords at the YouTubes, we're talking about cheating in video games. Nothing dangerous whatsoever. So, let's talk about gems. Gems, of course, are the sparkly, beautiful currency, also known as diamonds, rubies, or other sparkly rocks that people are enticed to spend a lot of money on, especially in mobile games. They are usually the premium currency that is used to buy power and advantages and skins and other goodies that you really must have. Alright, so that is the reason why a lot of people are, of course, using the internet, like Google, to look for free gems for their favorite video games, such as Dosh, stop playing the Clash of Clans. No, don't use that generator. Don't. Bad Dosh. By the way, guys, Dosh is my only employee, and he only eats subscriptions and likes. So please, if you don't want Dosh to starve, give this video a like and a subscription. It would be very much appreciated. Yes, I would like the subscription. I eat. Nom. Anyways, so what's very important here when it comes to looking for cheats, when it comes to unlimited free gems in your favorite mobile and other video games, is to differentiate between offline and online games. Of course, offline games do not require an internet connection for you to play, while online games do. So, why does that make a difference? Well, it makes a huge difference. Let's just have a look at the client versus server side article on hackerbot.net. Just go to your local Googles. Oh, ignore this search phrase, by the way. Hackerbot client side. All right, and you will be taken to the article about client and server side game hacking on hackerbot.net. So the difference here is, in an online game, you don't just have your game client, which is your physical Android device or iOS device or your computer or whatever it might be, and you have the server that you connect to through the internet. Those two components exist in online games but not in offline games. So in an offline game that does not require the internet to play, you only have the data on your actual physical phone or computer, which means you can hack all of the data. So if in an offline game that doesn't require the internet to play, you have gems, you can hack them using tools like, just head over to hackerbot.net, Google Hackerbot or Game Hacks, and you will be able to find the most popular cheating tools. So for example, Game Guardian for Android can take care of hacking offline games that do not require an internet connection, Game Jam for iOS, and Cheat Engine for PC. Just go to hackerbot.net, just Google Hackerbot or Game Hacks, and you'll be taken there right away. Alright, so these tools can take care of these kinds of gem hacks and money hacks and currency hacks in general. So, what's up with online games then? Because of course the most popular games, such as, let's say, your Clashes of Clans and your Free Fire, PUBG Mobile, whatever, they're all online games. They use game servers in order to facilitate play, and if you disable your data and your Wi-Fi, you plug it out your internet cable from your computer, you will not be able to play those games. So in this case, 99.999% of the time, the gems, your sparkly rocks, will be stored on the game servers where they cannot be hacked. Okay, yes, some person in the comments will be saying, well, technically, let's do it like, well, technically you can still hack it, yes. Yes, technically you can. Also, it's very illegal and you're gonna go to prison for it. But, well, who cares, right? And it's really difficult, like, like 3 people on the earth can actually do it, and none of them have want to use their skills to get some sparkly rocks in some random online game. So that's not going to happen. Now, maybe if you've browsed the internet, let's say you go again, ignore the search phrases, and maybe you've googled, I don't know, Coin Master free spin, and you came across maybe some weird generators or whatnots. There are hundreds and thousands of them out there. Oh, free spins, free coins, generators. Let's just Google for spin generator. Well, you've probably seen some of those, like this one, for example. Oh yes, select your platform. Android, next. Enter your username. Oh yes, loading. Ooh. These are all fake. They will never work. There has never been a generator for any online game, and there will never be. This is simply not how game hacking works. Game hacking works by changing data on your device that you control, like Dosh is using his phone right here to play the Clash of Clans, and game hacking works by manipulating data on your device. That means you need to download something, a mod or a tool or a save file or anything whatsoever, and then change data on your client in order to facilitate game cheats. It does not work by going online on some random website and, generate something. Now, that doesn't work. The only people that would be able to facilitate a generator like that would be the developers of the games themselves, but they want to sell gems for money, so why would they do it? They don't. These are all scams. Often they are malware. They're going to steal your passwords and your login information. Do not ever use them. If you want to know more about these things, you can just Google HackerBot generator, and you will be taken to our generators and why they are fake article, and it will go again into the whole shabam about why they're fake, how online and offline gaming works, what the differences are, what cheats are possible, why all human verification is a scam, and so on. So never, please, ever use these things. They will never work. Not once. You can try 100 times. You will just give them money, and then they will make millions, and you will get absolutely nothing in the process. So that is the long. Of course, that's the long and short of it. Of course, in online games, it's still possible to cheat. There are cheating methods, such as, let's just go over to HackerBot.net. Let's have a look at some of the online games. For example, PUBG Mobile is an online game. There are aimbots. There are wall hacks. There are scripts. There are no recoil scripts and trigger bots and all that kind of beautiful stuff. There's also always for like city builders and other grindy games, there is the possibility to create bots. So if you want to farming bots, those are, they farm the game automatically for you. Most of the games that have gems will offer some kind of free way to farm them over time, which means you can create an automated bot, a script, in order to do it for you. The way you do that is you simply go to Google, you Google HackerBot create bot, and you will be taken to a tutorial on how to create your own game bot using very simple methods such as macro editors, mouse and keyboard recorders. The only thing you really need for that is a computer. Sadly, it does not really work on Android. Oh, it kind of does, but kind of doesn't. And iOS, it's really hard to do without a computer. But if you have a computer and you can run an emulator, for example, for mobile games, no problem. If you're just playing on PC, you can just do it there. Yeah, so the only thing that gets a little bit more difficult is Xbox, PlayStation, where it gets a lot more difficult, let's just say. Anyways, so that's the long and short about gem hacks. They are not possible in every single game. They are possible in a few offline games, which is not a few, but let's just say a few in the sense that the most popular games out there are online games. And they are online games because they are popular. So what happened is these games got really popular, and in order for the developers to be able to make more money, they made them online games so people cannot get free gems, so they make more money. So simply by law of economics, the most popular games will become online games because they want to make more money, and they have the resources to do so because they're popular. So, and that's only gonna be more prevalent in the future. There are still cheating methods available, so if you're looking for cheats, head over to hackerbot.net, go for find free cheats, and you will be able to enter the name of your game here, whatever it is, Free Fire 0.19, and you will be able, whatever game, whatever version, whatever platform, able to find mods and hacks and scripts for the games that you want to hack from legitimate providers that have a proven track record, have never scammed anyone, to our knowledge, are clean, have never had any malware problems or anything. So that's what we do. We help you find legitimate cheats. Of course, cheating is naughty. It's not great that you're looking to cheat, of course. It's naughty. A lot of people want to do it though. Just like in any area of life, we want to win, so we do whatever we want to do to win, and hackerbot.net is here to help you do it safely, because you're going to do it anyways, so you may as well do it safely. Anyways, guys, that is the long and short about gem hacks. Please give this video a like if you want more of this content, and you want to help us fight the scammers and spammers that are creating evil human verification generators out there. Please subscribe to this channel. Show some love. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. We are doing a weekly Q&A, or even more than weekly, and we are answering 10 questions every time in a video like this. And yeah, keep you posted until next time, and guys, have a good one.